Hi, I did a burping video. I was doing it for, I forgot what I was doing it for. I was sending it in for some audition, and I was just like, okay, they want like a voiceover burping thing. I was like, I'll try it because everybody tells me that I burp really loud, and I don't do it on command, so I apologize. What usually, I mean, I'm just, this is gonna sound really gross. I'm just a gassy person, and some people fart a lot, but I burp a lot. I mean, everybody farts, but that's okay, nothing to be ashamed of. We're all human beings. But I'm just extremely like a burpy person. I don't have to drink soda. I'm not really a soda person. I'm not at all a soda person. I'm a seltzer person. And I don't really know how to teach. I was gonna try it out because I can't burp on command, but I don't know. But when I burp, I burp. Hey, so what I was gonna do is I was gonna drink a Malta. I don't know. See if it works. Okay. So you guys wanted it to be longer, so I'm gonna drink a Malta and see if it works out. If it does, awesome. I spilled it on myself. Yeah. I definitely spilled Malta on myself. Yeah. Okay, let's try it again. Nope, nothing. Gross. Spilt mother. Oh, crazy brain freeze. That's it. Give me a second. I'll be back in 1 second. Fuck! Oh, fuck Malta every fucking where. Nope. Nothing.